Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So this is the part 6 video. It is continuation video playlist JDBC, Hibernate in Hibernate, HQL, native SQL, criteria API and JPQL. So in this playlist, this is the part 6 video. This video I am starting the post JDBC application. It is nothing but establishing database connection with JDBC. So or we can also call like JDBC Java code to test database connectivity using Type-4 driver and Oracle and ojdbc 11 jar file. See, we have the ojdbc 11 jar file. So by using those classes and methods, we are developed this some Java code. So that Java code, we are developed Java code. So and Type-4 driver, it is connectivity. By using this Type-4 driver, we can connect to the database, right? So this is the diagrammatic representation of this video. So I will create a new project for JDBC programs and I will explain about what is the Type-4 driver. Then we can do some connectivity related code. We can develop connectivity related code. So like I am using the database software called Oracle. If you are not installed in your system, I will provide auto download and install Oracle database 23A and SQL developer on Windows 10 or 11. So go through it, install it. So let's start the development file. Just plain Java project, no Maven related, Gradle related. So 17, it is there in my system. So I am choosing this one. Project name JDBC underscore programs. Next. So if it is next, see here, if any module related, this one. If it is selected, so unselected, this is not required. Next, finish. So now post we need to add dependencies. So I will add two dependencies. One is the ojdbc 11.jar, another one is the lombok. So build path, configure build path. So libraries, class path, select add jars, add external jars. So this PC D drive I am install the Oracle app folder, nothing but Oracle related only. It is by defaultly added. Username, product, version, database version, DB home free. Free is the global name. Next, here, go scroll down JDBC lib. This is the ojdbc 11. So copy this path, open. So apply. Next, add another jar, add external jar, go to D drive. Softwares are there. In project Lombok will be there. Project Lombok, let's add this. Apply, apply and close. So let's create a one class, new class, Java programs. Package name change like a com.fsd, JDBC. So like connection test, right? Contest. Finish. Here some commands I will add. So in Oracle installed directory, we will get JDBC 11 dot ojdbc ojdbc 11.jar file path. Only one is changed. This is the username. This will be changed. Next, some intro about Type-4 driver. Type-4 driver. Some intro about Type-4 driver. So it is also called It is also called the thin driver. Thin driver. Second point, it it converts JDBC calls directly into database specific protocol like TCP/IP. So third point, it is platform independent. Independent. So fourth point, mostly used driver. This is mostly used in real time. This is mostly used driver, right? These are the 4 points about the type 4 driver. These are the most important. I'm repeating one more time. Type 4 driver. It is also called the thin driver. So it is also called the thin driver. It converts JDBC calls directly into it converts JDBC calls directly into database specific calls specific protocol, right? So database specific protocol. See, it converts JDBC calls directly into database specific protocol like TCP IP. It is platform independent most used driver. It is most used driver. So let's start the development. So main method. Can I take private method to develop this logic? Can I place in main method itself? Do one thing. It is better to separate as possible, right? So let's take private method. Private, it will return nothing. Suppose database, database connection, right? Database connection. So post, we need to class dot for name driver. We need to load, right? It is optional. After it is optional, but let's add post video, right? Let's add Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. So some comments load Oracle JDBC driver load Oracle JDBC driver. So see add throws declaration surround with try catch. See first one. It is not recommended. Really, it is not recommended. Don't use. Throws declaration is not recommended. In real time, mostly we need to catch like this only. So don't use. We are added long buck, right? Let's utilize SLF4J method. SLF4J. So it is saying so it is not recognizing. Let's add another dependency. So project, right? JDBC programs build path configure build path. So select class path add external jars. Go to the downloads. So this one SLF APA apply and close. So error is gone. Log dot error. So let's add. This is the class not found exception, right? Oracle JDBC driver not found. Driver not found. E. So E. This is the done. Maximize. So load Oracle JDBC driver. This is the loading the driver part. This is the done and it is optional latest Oracle depend like latest Oracle jar files. This is the optional. So let's use try with resources. So we need connection, right? Let's try with resources. Otherwise, post we can develop after that line of code. Then we can use resources. Driver manager, driver manager. So driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection. See URL, your username, password. Three will be there. So three will be there. So three are string, right? First one JDBC colon Oracle colon JDBC colon Oracle colon which driver? Thin driver. Thin colon at the right. We are connecting by using local system, right? Localhost colon localhost colon 1521. It is the port of the Oracle port and free is the global name. Username system password manager. See it is add throws declaration, add catch just to surrounded try, add exception to existing catch block, surround with try catch. Let's check second option, control Z. So see this particular catch will be there, right? Where also handled. If any exception is raised, class dot for name, where handled, right? Here we will use this will be there, right? What it will return post, it will return the connection. See connection con equal to. So let's import it. So this one we need to close. We need to close, right? This once completed, we need to close. We need to close. But if we are using try with resources, these are the auto closable. Auto closable. I will show how to use try with resources. Try open braces. So here closed braces brackets. This is called try with resources. So connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. This is the URL, username, password, right? So now, so now, see unhandled exception type. It is throwing one exception. Let's add in catch block. SQL exception. So cut this one. Let's add here. So log dot error. Log dot error. Suppose error establishing JDBC connection while connecting with while connecting JDBC code to Oracle database. Error is occur. Select the control shift F pre-printing kind of. So this is the done, right. Now we need to check if it is successfully connection is happened. This must not be null. So for that, if objects dot objects dot the objects dot non null. If it is non null, we can also use con double equal to con not equal to null, but it is not recommended. So let's use like this. So let's print one statement. If it is not null, JDBC connection is JDBC connection is established, established. Else So else JDBC connection is not established. This is the piece of code to Java code test Java code to Oracle database connectivity. So this is the piece of code we can establish database connectivity with JDBC, or we can also call like JDBC Java code to test database connection using Type-4 driver and ojdbc 11 jar file, right? So make it static because main method is static, private static void. So just call it here character control shift F control S. So now right click, run as Java application. If any errors are there, we will fix it. See, see response. JDBC connection is established. JDBC connection is established. Less I will do wrong. Like I will. So my passport will be there, right? I'm giving one. Let's see what will happen. So run as Java application. Maximize. It is trying to connect with the Oracle database. So see, it is not printing. That means we need to add another one. So let's e dot get message, e dot get message. So let's rerun. Otherwise use another catch block. Control C. Other exception is raised. Another exception will be raised. Where handled class not found exception, SQL exception. If any other exception is raised, then if any other exception raised. So paste here, Control S, maximize, Control S. See, these logs are not printing. Maybe we need to add some other dependencies. Let's remove this. This is not working here. Let's use sysout system.out.println like that. So due to that we are unable to see the result. So let's add plus symbol. Let's add plus symbol. Usually these two are sufficient. If it is required, let's add another. Select Control Shift F, Control S. Let's run. So passport is wrong. See, error establishing JDBC connection. Invalid credentials are not authorized. Login denied. This is the error. So now password is right, but this URL one I'm adding URL will be wrong. Let's see what kind of error will occur. Error establishing JDBC connection. No suitable driver found for JDBC. Right? So we are getting user understandable errors, right? Or programmer understandable errors. So in this video, we have successfully established connection between JDBC code and Oracle driver. See, JDBC connection is established. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.